What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at the best Hot Wheels premium diorama set of all times. No, I'm just kidding. This set, yeah, it's something. Let's take a look at it. As always, with these Hot Wheels premium diorama sets, we get 3 cars and 1 hauler, this time all decorated up in BRE Datsun. Packaging is also branded in BRE Datsun. Here on the back side we see our 3 cars, the Datsun 620, the Datsun 510 Wagon and the Nissan Sentra SER plus the BRE Sakura Sprinter. Now, yeah, I already mentioned it. I had to think for a while, should I buy this or not? In the end, I decided to buy one. Normally, you know, I buy these sets, I guess, as most of the collectors because of the models. In this case, yeah, I have to say I really like the hauler, or let's say the deco of the hauler. And as you can see here in the background, I have some of these and they do look pretty good on the shelves, and I didn't want to miss out on this thing here. So these sets normally, yeah, they get reduced over the time a little bit in price, and I had to pay 25 euros for the set, which is a pretty good price for 4 Hot Wheels premium models, considering that normally one of these models in a single pack does cost at least 10 euros here in my area in Germany. So I bought the set, thought, okay, I leave the models in the packaging, put it on the shelf, that's it. But yeah, then I bought a second set. And yeah, that's kind of funny. I only bought the set, to be honest, because it was kind of a special offer. Because if you did buy Hot Wheels premium stuff for more than 20 euros, you got this guy here for free. The Hot Wheels Legends Tour model, the cool combi in this extra plastic protection piece, which is kind of cool in my opinion. And I thought, why not? And yeah, I can do an unboxing with these guys. And that is what we do. We take a look at them. And I would say we start with the Sentra, Nissan Sentra SER. There we go. Well, yeah, I already mentioned it. This set, in my opinion, is not the best of all times. First of all, on this model, this one, by the way, in my opinion, is the best of the cars, but I'm not a huge fan of the gray plastic 6 spokes because, you know, no real car has gray plastic wheels, and they can do better at Hot Wheels. They can put like a metallic you know, cover on these wheels, which does look much better. Don't know why they do it all the time. And you know, it's called premium, but look, or take a look at the backside. And the prints aren't too good. Here we have kind of an overspray, and I mean, it seems like, you know, they painted the car red, and it seems like the red is shining through the white, which you know, gives kind of a, you know, pink shade to the white. It doesn't look too good in my opinion. And then we can see some stripes here. So the quality, in my opinion, isn't the best. I mean, it's okay, but you know, if you call this premium, and then if you take a close look here at the headlight, this side piece isn't really aligned with this front piece. So yeah, now you can say, okay, this is Hot Wheels and you don't have to buy this, and you can buy Tarmac or Mini GT. But if you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, by the way, then you know that I do collect Mini GTs. But you know, I'm a little bit addicted to Hot Wheels, and sometimes I don't want to miss out on a set. And yeah, once again, I bought them. So yeah, now I can do a review. So let's go on with this guy here, the 510 Wagon. As you can see, this guy comes with a green base, only one rivet, so this is hook assembly model. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad, but I mean, front details are pretty crisp. Side is okay, but once again, you see some, yeah, a little bit of this turquoise of the car shining through. Sorry. I don't know. Basically, you know, I'm a huge fan of rally and racing livery, but on these cars, it feels like something is missing. It's, you know, it's not a plain stock model, but it's not a real race car, rally car. It's somewhere in between. And yeah, I don't know. The four spokes are okay. I don't know if this is the best color for the rest of the model. So let's take a look at the last model that is coming with a black base. That's in 620. This pickup truck. Yeah, this one comes with a windshield banner, which is pretty nice. Front is okay. On this guy here, I think the wheel choice is all right. But yeah, I do have a little problem with the back. I mean, as you can see, there is the Datsun lettering embossed, but this definitely has to be painted. So this is kind of poor, to be honest. For a premium model, you know, you can expect a little bit more. Let's put our packaging to the side for a second. Yeah. So basically, I think the hauler is nearly the best part of the set. Our Sakura Sprinter and BRE Datsun deco. Of course, this whole part here is plastic. Only the cap is metal, and the base coming with white wheels. You can open this up and yeah, store your cars in there if you want to. Yeah. So you know, as always, at the end of these videos, I pick a favorite, and I'm pretty sure this is the first time I would say, I know this is very controversial, but for me it's this hauler. I think, you know, if you got some of these haulers on the shelf, they look really cool, and yeah, the models, in my opinion, are okay, but once again, I think for a premium model, I would say you could expect a little bit more. So what do you think? Write it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting. And yeah, until next time. Bye.